Welcome to this presentation on manganese dioxide nanoparticles synthesis, application and challenges. This research was conducted by Sonika Dawadi et al. And published in 13th October 2020. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Nanotechnology, an emerging research field of this century, has led to the development of nanoparticles open parenthesis NPS close parenthesis, which exhibit unique magnetic, electric, and catalytic properties compared to bulk materials. Manganese dioxide open parenthesis MnO2 close parenthesis NPS are particularly noteworthy due to their low toxicity and diverse crystal structures including alpha, beta, gamma, and delta phases, each with distinct linkage patterns of MnO6 octahedra. This review summarizes conventional methods used for the synthesis of manganese dioxide nanoparticles MnO2 and piezo. The methods discussed include the hydrothermal process, reduction and oxidation processes, the Sol gel method, chemical precipitation, reflux, and thermal methods, and green synthesis. For each method, various specific protocols, reagents, reaction conditions, temperature, time, pH, and resulting morphologies and crystal phases of MnO2 and PS are detailed. The synthesis of manganese dioxide nanoparticles MnO2 and PS has been achieved through various methods, each yielding specific crystal phases and morphologies. The hydrothermal method allows for control over particle morphology by weighing temperature and reaction time, producing phases like alpha, beta, and delta. MnO2 in forms such as nanorods, nanobelts, and microspheres. The diverse synthesis methods discussed, including hydrothermal, redox, Sol gel, chemical precipitation, reflux, thermal, and green synthesis, highlight the ability to produce manganese dioxide nanoparticles, MnO2 and Ps with tailored structures and morphologies. Manganese dioxide nanoparticles MnO2 and Ps represent a versatile class of nanomaterials with a broad spectrum of applications driven by their tunable structural, morphological, and chemical properties. The synthesis methodologies reviewed, including hydrothermal, redox, sol gel, chemical precipitation, thermal, and green synthesis, provide routes to access diverse crystalline phases and nanostructures, each contributing to specific functionalities.